when I ask you what will happen, chasing my beggars. America, who make a tema, Mazanda Maki, who make a tema, Mazanda Sakamana, Mazanda Beta, Zimbabwe America, who make a tema, I did. What's a woman? I'm a cow. I got in my yaga and the Wyoming is never got more of my Gazella Kuno.
That one I say my dedication for the people of Mugamu, because today we get a powerful presentation for put the record straight for the Mugamu LGA, and we get sweet breaking news as far as the development where the Operation RPG, where we climb every day and we'll keep on climbing till we end this trouble. Because it don't come for a time where we need to say we give a talk. Anyhow, we want if they talk say we talk say me buy armament for a show. Yeah, now me I will bear the responsibility. If they want arrest me for say I say me buy RPG, so be it. So we'll talk till this revolution end. So when you come, you share. Now I will say I play this small piece of Tiwara for Mugamu people, because me they come on board. Play the thing the day way we need to talk as far as Mugamu LGA be concerned and the other counties and LGAs, because we don't go around. We know say, and as an activist, we be loyal to the interim government. And then you respect the Amber Peace Plan. You get a right for call any chairman for any LGA at any time, given time. You ask question the way regard the LGA, high LGA the pool, because when we hear anything as far as any LGA be concerned, we call them, and since of the time we start, we never call any chairman. He give you a deaf ear. When they call, they always be open and happy for talk with we. So we now look at times we be very busy, not because say this, because we go across all the LGAs. If we hear this one happen, we go investigate, we call the chairman, we call this, we investigate, so we get plenty in them for share as far as the revolution will be concerned. So now whether dedicate the small piece of music for the Mugamu people, say me they take their feature, they take small feature, they hold them, then they will listen for way to way I get up for them. And then we still get, as tell us, we still get the sweet news way as far as the development of the RPG it be concerned. Then we get a message, a strong message you get send for the mayor, the DO, and the population of Tico, because we get a breaking news from that side of the county where the DO, the one try to disrupt the activities of Ambazonians. So the colonial DO, we don't get a meeting where he hold a meeting and wait where they talk with the meeting, and the implementation where they want implement them as far as their strategy it be concerned. But we don't tell, we tell say as far as Tico be concerned, the Ambazonian government Tico. So when you come, you share, we get plenty things that we talk. But before we want to start the topic for today, we'll just give a clue for which way it don't happen within the week, and which way it don't happen for the struggle as far as our boys for Grand Zero they be concerned, and diplomacy be concerned. The past week we don't see explosive, so we don't see our boys that they do them, especially the boys of the Bowie County and the Bafut, LGA, and the Gwakutinga, and then the Mezam in particular, the Mezam town in particular. That is our main town, Bamenda, going to the north, the southern zone. We hear Ghost Town, we hear Victoria, around my 14, this is my 4 gunshot, Lieutenant gunshot, and we hear the arrest, Calais, the appellation where La Republique they get us on name, they call it Calais. So no, I don't even know the appellation, what they mean by Calais, where they can arrest the youth at a random, because the name they say Amazonian. We get fight our brothers and sisters away. La Republique arrest them within the week. Some of them say they bear the name Amazonian, they arrest them. So we go start from the northern zone to the southern zone. Fellow Amazonian, fellow citizens of the revolution, we have good evening wherever you are in the kingdom of Belgium here. Now evening, so at hope say Grand 02 now evening, because we get the same time with Grand Zero as of now. We don't see over the week success the way we don't achieve. Even though when success be like that one, some of we will never come for social media. Can't tell our body say we don't see the work they did one. We give the 21 guns salute. I think say na error that way we don't do it because when we get a success, we supposed to come for social media. We can't tell our boys say we don't see one way they don't do them. 21 that one just be enough. They know say we deal with them in spirit and in truth. So we see the video coming from Ngwakutunja. We see the video coming from Oku. We see the video coming from Bui. We see the videos and photos from Bafut, and we see even for Mezam town, that's the Bamenda town in general, Abakwa town. So I want to tell our boys, they say, all this is not effort they do all with the and some of you are there for groups, the way it be hidden. We get information the way we see them because some of them they come where we no need to go for social media to go set paste on social media or put on social media for consumption. Some of the things they do we keep and reserve for ourselves because the boy them they keep and reserve for ourselves. If you not see anything for social media, other some man no hell go put them or we did it necessary say it be for public consumption because some people they way before they want move their money for gear they ask say but what did that boy do? What did they do? So some people they believe say when they see the action for social media it motivate them. So at times we gives the one they will figure they will reserve it. Plenty they behind the scene for our group the people where they talk they know plenty they behind the scene where our boys them they do enormous work. The one they harvest, the one they don't drag the Republic we see for 7 kata. We see how our boys they do a marvelous job for 7 kata. Or where the Republic they abandon their camp where they run. We see all those things. So we give a hand of applause and 21 goals salute to all our restoration forces all over the northern zone. Say we did Utiwuna. The world draft don't start the talk. The world draft is speak for itself. No man tomorrow they no come because some people they want see world draft. Now say we buy material, we paste them, we put them on Facebook, we tell Ambazonian people they say that will now world draft where will be contributor. Now the money the way we don't buy the material, now it is on Facebook, or we go tell they say that money where will be contributor. We don't go ground 1, we don't go ground 0, we don't go this, we want to buy material so that they go call la Republic now, they track we have to recover our material, then the world draft is fail. But now the thing in that way, people fail for no. Now the thing in that way, we know one do them. But the action, the talk, is speak for itself. Plenty in the way, we will not can talk with social media here, like would expose our strategy or materials. Where we get them. We get more than enough now. And you talk to someone because me no better the flatter people. And the flatter people. I need the flatter people. Why me I can't flatter people? Then I talk say, me buy RPG, me do this. I need flatter people. The world draft don't start. The world draft it don't start. That one I need to talk with water from my mom. The world draft it don't start. We heard Mutengene. I heard the other day. Where they shoot some one woman. I say the woman been a internally displaced person will come out from I think like Northeast Okam for that side military they shoot it because when our boys don't do enormous job, they don't go harvest, military they be frustrated. They don't get time to go, they go target na civilian and now for key so that they will inflict pain. Because I tell you something, the main reason why we military overkill our people because they know say when they kill one ambassador, they see the way we cry because they know say we love our people very well. So when they be frustrated, they will kill one, or when they kill one military, they will kill at least 1 civilian or 2 civilians so that they know say in so doing, they don't inflict pain too for we. They know say they don't back up because when I hear they talk with the colonial governor for Boyabito, every tell that woman the people they do that act. Now we are picking them, now we are brother them, now we are sister them, now we are family them. Automatically means it means say when they kill any military, since they are picking they do them, they don't know them. Automatically they go back up to civilian because that time where the governor be talk for Southern Zone, the colonial governor be talk. Some of we just take that talk like a challenge, say our mommy they be challenge the governor. But we not be reason the talk where the governor put her inside that very talk. When our mommy they say now who them, they do the act, they say we not know. He say we don't know. He tell them say now we not picking them. Now we not brother, now we not sister, now we not family. Now they do one. Automatically immediately. It means any crime where our boys them they do on top military, automatically, if they don't get military, they will get our mommy them, they will get our brother them, they will get our sisters them, they will get our family. Now they right on that way the government will be talk, but will not be reasonable go in that direction. Some of we will not be happy for see us say our mommy they will be a bold enough for talk for governor the truth, but will not be calm for think the talk where governor talk after our mommy won't talk. Say now our mommy now our picking them, now our brother them, now they this, now they key military. Automatically me say anything we will do, they will away our restoration forces do on top military, they will do on top we. So that talk we will keep that caption because now they talk in that way during after this war will end. Now the kind talk in that way will take up for whole day because automatically the war will end and in the end for a victory and we will take all them will be in our captivity. So once more again, I want to thank our restoration forces all over the 13 counties for their job well done. 21 guns and load. We will see them, but we will reserve plenty. Because if we show someone the way they if we show someone the way they were keeping for social media, I think say some people they will be happy, some people they will be too overexcited, and will be overexcited until people doing drum military can catch you. So we reserve plenty. We will not sure about. I want to tell you now, clean and clear say the word draft now don't speak. The word draft he don't speak. He don't speak. You know say he don't speak. He don't start. The word draft he don't start. So now the message that I get time to talk for our people and as far as diplomacy be concerned in this revolution, I know everything against them we call diplomacy again. For me now, I don't think about diplomacy again. Make diplomacy follow we. Me we will not follow diplomacy. That's what I think. Yeah, because we don't fight this war for the 4 years now. And all the time with the protests, call UN, UK, did this. They didn't talk back. Anytime when we make action for grand, we are here, they did talk. Anytime when we make action for damn, they did talk. So if we are see the way the diplomacy they act, they respond depending on our action. They respond depending on our action. Indirectly, they tell me something. If we want to take our freedom, we will take them, then they will accept. Now, we action for ground zero. We will give a beat, then La Republic, they go down on their knees. La Republic are back, and La Republic go back. That one, na facts. La Republic go back. We give a beat La Republic. They know fit, my brother and sister. You don't need now a small courage. You don't need now for we for just gather small courage. We do the finishing touching. We go beat La Republic. When La Republic go down for their knees, now they go start beg the other neighbor and say, I beg that fight on strong, you know go fit. Now the way we will succeed. But we say today we go strike for this embassy, today, tomorrow go strike. Well, but that one be fine. We just create our awareness, but what 90.5%, 95% supposed to be on activity focusing on ground zero. Ground zero, when ground zero was beat, no way, and we did one. So now wait till that way. I say my topic start the topic of the day. Where we will start now with this breaking news. Where we get them. When you come, you share. When you come, you hit the share button because this program today will get even though the topic is short, but we get plenty to elaborate as far as the topic be concerned, they short, but they contain plenty. Especially the last topic, when are the main topic. Because we. Now, what we need to know, and I will tell the colonial deal where we don't get the breaking news. They don't hold meeting. The deal for Tico, the whole meeting. They say now so the government for the Republic, they don't get money again. And so any man get store for Tico, you go start pay per time. Because the coffers, government coffers don't dry. And they will implement that decision on the 10th of December. Where all man will start opening his store anyhow, they don't respect the ghost time, and then they pay per time. But in that regard, some people they be object, say they don't open their store for Monday. Because Monday na goes down. So the deal, if it tells you they don't get no option. So they don't pay workers. He said the government say they don't pay workers, they don't carry activities. So they will force people, they will start pay per time. Now, not only warning the deal, we want our civilians, our population, our people. We not say this war, we don't suffer a lot. We don't suffer casualties a lot. When the governor, on a deal, he come for meet list, we say, may we not open a store. See, when you open a store one day, you feel lost if you don't invest the rest of your life. Now, one thing that we people know, just open a store for one day if you say how much. Sometimes one day you don't say up to 50,000 or 30,000 or 100,000. But you lost investment. Investment where you don't start building the whole your life, you start building. Focus start your business. You lost her for even one day. Because you don't build the whole day. You lost her for seconds. Because now don't see the activities of our restoration forces for FACO, and you don't tell we say they be at alert at any moment. And any man try to disobey the law of the land, they don't compromise with you. We know so we don't lose people plenty for the war. The war in a war where some man will just chill under the joke. Land people feel the joke because they don't feel the pain. But we who don't feel the pain, we don't feel go back. And we don't see any man who want to betray this revolution as of now. So I warn the citizens of Tico, people they get the store. Say the decision on Dio talk. But we, the Federal Republic of Ambazonian, never give them the right to open store for Monday day. For Monday day. And the money where the deal, the axman, will not pay. If all man decides for lucky store no pay, deal get no decision, he will bring the decision back. I will still respect. But if some sell out, when the things they feel lobby with the CPDM regime, with the CPDM regime, for go pay back open store, we will visit una. We will visit una. And he talk say, if some regime, this enablers, because we know say enabler in the all sides, as the professor of Somaliland be talk say, they do all sides even time for their own revolution. If we go back go open store, then we go visit the ghost of the land. When I go visit the ghost of the land. This one take me to, I forget, to another vital information where we always forget to pass for our people. And where our people, if you go fall into that cheap trap, and then tomorrow they celebrate. We hear say election, it come. Election, it come for on the 6th of December, and campaign those start to go on. I want to tell our people, we don't need to remind our people time and again, say me no man no go outside that day for election. Yeah, but some people in the way they need for the singer every day. Some people, you know, say for school, some people, some man they are slow learners, some man they are fast learners, some man they it don't need me keep repeating the message for ear every day. And we don't come like a reminder for tell Ambazonian people say that election. Now, it concerns La Republique. Election not there for Ambazonian. We will never pronounce any campaign for election. So any man will see outside for that day, we regard it like a military. I know what way military mean for Ambazonian. We will see a military man for we, you know what way mean. If our restoration forces see a military, you know what way it mean. So we take away come out aside for that day. Like a military man will come out for define our restoration forces. And you will face the restoration forces on that election day. So this one a strong warning across Ambazonian. Say election be banned. We not get anything for Ambazonian like election. We don't see the mafia where the slave, the white baby man calling the former minister, he go do for Ayaba Hotel. But we dey see tell and say if they know say now they own the land, why you not go do election? Why you not go do campaign for a village Oku? If they don't say truth now they own the land. Now because they hear the results for the past week where they do have Oku. He do campaign for when it starts, they start do campaign for hotel. When it starts. So I want our people to say if this minister then when they get gendarme, they get police, they get military B, they go for hotel for go launch election. It means say they fear that security. They fear security. You know, say when they form, our boys will take them. Our boys will take them. So you civilian away, not get no protection, no nothing. Their own protection. Now we stay home that day. Stay for us. No come on you for us. You know, go after that day and say that day will make you your farm way. You plant that chop. That day that chop must grow. Now that day will make that business. Interest. Stay for us that day. We don't want to catch any man. And now, I don't know where they go on for Ambazonian. We don't get people there inside military. And I want to know that's a secret. I talk this secret now because it is inside military. And military don't even know. If they want to know, me they kill themselves for know the people they give the information. We get people inside military order implant that they do footage the same of we. For Ambazonian they disobey. Because when military come out, outside the military come out to see, military they want to come out, so what they do, camera, they take people them. For saying that we say, na this man so na this man. So what thing our people they say, we get intelligence outside to trap any man who disrespect the law of the land. We will trap now. So now the one that I tell our people as far as the election is being concerned. Yeah, then we go now for the Moamo LG. We come, you hit the share button so that if you reach the ear for the people of Moamo, we learn and hear me very well. We talk the truth and we put the record straight. I want to tell Ambazonian people say Moamo LGA first. Now one of the LGA where I get personal love and I respect them much and they do it in a way I like them and we will see for the draft. We see the way the Moamo people they respond because Moamo man have a proud man. Moamo man any player he being a proud man. So now why that way when the draft become we talk say we want challenge the Mezan. One challenge them. We be talk say one challenge them because we know so we proud people. Yes, and we do them very well. And I see talk again. Say the Moamo LGA and see talk time again, he get money. We need to hide them because the money na money where all man can contribute. No na some particular group of Moamo people, so own as a village. Moamo get 22 villages. Moamo LG as a whole, he get 22 villages. And that 22 villages, now they contribute that money for that world draft. I want to talk this one, and you see talk, and you talk again. Some cabal, they do where they want to destroy the LGA. Some cabal, they do where they want to destroy the LGA. And if we don't move that to move, you go worry. I want to tell you, I say, some group is there for Europe. That group, they be been at 13 of them. I be there one member before draft. We be there for that group. 13 of them Europe. 13 of them for Europe. And that group, Scott Johnson. Now be the security waiting for that group. Scott Johnson. When draft become, as I ask, they say, but when I call, I say LGA. Now LGA this reform. When I talk say America they want control Europe. When they contribute their money, now America they want control. Now the Restoration Council, it don't sit, it decide, it give vote of no confidence for all the executives because they get mismanagement. The all executives get mismanagement. It will take a long time. I tell them before they draft the approach, just a week will draft this will happen. The Europe will deny. They say they don't take care of fight for ground. Wait, they say they don't fit join Europe. I tell them, say if I don't fit join Europe, me I don't dare me for two side collapse. I don't fit preach unity and the preach for LGA. They are inside of LGA where they need to one hear the name of our president. They need to one hear the name of our president is Excellency Dr. Samuel Sarko Ekome. They don't want hear. They say they be neutral. I say in politics there's no neutral. We start a problem with that group. When I become post inside that group concerning our president, there's this guy for Belgium here, they call him Afro Eugene. What can he do? He can post a post of ADF. So it be spark a query. So when I be tell them for that face, so we get ADF. We get ADF group people inside this very group. And that very people where he and Scott, when now we contribute money, say we dey fight ADF. Now these very people they go for back support ADF, my brothers and sisters. When it is Pagakori, I say okay, I start for them. I start move the potential contributors. I tell you what to happen. I start move the potential contributors to that group. I tell they say, now look, now me I be doing one for here for this group. Now me I preach. Now one come and maybe not say they exist. Now me I tell you that as now we don't form the LGA and the LGA they firm. We now go draft. They say yeah, no get problem. They are moving the draft. They did that 110 on how many. Now them they want destabilize the LGA. And then nothing where they go on and say we get some group of people to where them now they want lobby for can inside now say me the because election they can see soon. They want lobby. So just at the year say some people don't hold meeting with them. How? When? How we start? People you know draft. People you know one winner. Man you know draft. He can control draft money. That means say I be suspect because I may be too day for my tip to boya. That means say man say people the way they be contribute for my tip to boya. Now they go manage my tip to boya. Now why the way we get a downfall. But we don't tell they say, I don't tell they say over my dead body. You where you not continue, where you not draft. You know if you manage draft. You will need to pay a CID. You know if you be like any mindset Mumu Mugamu LGE. So una tell Scott for people and say he manipulate already manipulates. Yes, they kill our fighters, they kill this. My brothers and sisters, this issue of ADF and this, if they talk money way, more people don't suffer a lot for contributing money give this same guy. But for a greater shock, now then they work in alliance with ADF. Yes. Now they work in alliance with ADF. And then some people, when they draft, they want to take them. Me they come. For which, 12, see, more group, I tell something for people me they know. Mugambo group, with the inside group, almost 300 and something participants. 300 something. Mugambo they will assign no less than 2,000. He wants to know at 2,000 something people for assign. So we not need 10 people because they say that one cocoa is spoiled at you because when you not identify that cocoa where you not done fine. That cocoa you not done fine, we put about at you. Now you get make that at you, you start get kro. So by the time you identify that cocoa where you not done, the other cocoa they done. When a bad cocoa, you say no, me no put. I no say that at you will turn kro. So automatically we don't identify them. We don't identify them. Yes, we don't identify them. The group for Europe, they need to respect the Amba peace plan. They say work on their own. They respect this. So the mafia. I want them more people. I need to talk this one go up and down. The mafia don't end because we don't discover the mafia. Yeah, because my tell what the really go all people need to understand. The all executive and the top one now, especially for Mugambo people, and not say this problem. Oh man, all the LGA they face the similar problem. But my own, we don't get problem because the other LGA they split. Mugambo don't get problem for split. We get a problem. Some people the way they not draft, the way we never sack them, they won't come back. I tell you something. When the draft will go on, I want to tell you now, when the draft will go on, the all executive they will dismiss them. They will dismiss them because they mismanage, they embezzle, and the executive will go discover and say some of them they work alliance with our internal enemies. When they be that way, they dismiss them. They be the quiet. They be the quiet. Oh, okay. They say yeah, we are not dismiss we. Move see how we are going to succeed. When the resolution cast for Mugambo LGA, they should not elect, they appoint critical committee. The critical committee will manage the whole affair. Till time where election, let me say they prepare a team. The team they will now manage from it will start from scratch. It start from scratch. Then now build them. Then now it will do election. Then now it do everything. They move their hand. Now the critical committee will succeed to draft. They draft no more. They do this. That all people the way they dismiss them, where they embezzle. They never ever give their audit. They never ever do this. Now they never back here. Now they never back. They go contact this. But I want to tell you, say, when I look at a very hard rock, this small cabal for Europe. They don't have how many. They don't be doing nothing. I think I did it. Contribute how much? They contribute how much? How much? One more end. You know, every year contribution. Now let's tell you some emergency. You want to say 500 euro, fit do 80, 200 euro, fit do 80. Then at the one cut almost. Then they see cut self. It's safe. I want to tell you now. Tell me watch the me when I tell me watch the video. When incident happen for Kugwe, they come inside group. Tell the inside group they talk. No man will talk about contribution. No man will talk about emergency contribution. Now, so one guy from Europe called me. He said, if I don't put my voice, even the chairman, he told me, if I don't put my voice into that group, I can't put voice. I think they say now emergency meeting. And that emergency meeting will not get too top. Now the way forward and a contribution. Where we start, I say 100 euros. This man say 100 euros, 100 euros. See, God, come talk, say, that was the important. Oh man, he used to say some of the don't contribute. Now, 10 euros, now 20 euros, he contributed. Now, one thing that we see, we see some of them show, because he know the game they play with the ADF. But, I talk this one, I talk about Ambazonian people as a whole, Mugambo people, because plenty of the not draft, they don't pay that word draft. They don't like to belong for the group. They don't like to be there. The other one here say, plenty Mugambo people in the way, you only call and I call. He just send the money, you know, even careful, know the politics where they happen for this. But I want us to give them awareness. Because In a all man will come a group for give it to the happy for group. Because people they don't group, they don't. Some man will tell me say, why I carry a team of a group category. No, not team of group. Not team of group. Any to ask for a revolution. No, not team of group. I be activist, not team for group. Not team for talk and for ambassador people they aside. Me they start one the secret. They say you know come to hard rock. He no go work. He no work. This secret of a guy. So the year says some they go lobby. Say some they go lobby. They don't talk say they go elect their own people. What? Which? So now the issue that to put the record straight for Mugamu. Now I go to fighters for Mugamu. The team of now never deny for work with any fighter. I repeat again. The team now, the people that manage the affair, they work with all the fighters. I don't think talk to the money na money. Any man get right to talk as I talk so. If you contribute at $10, other man contribute $1,000, they are level and you get right to contribute. That money for all fighters, for Ambazonian, and all fighters they get equal rights. But now you the fighter they will respect the people who contribute money and they respect the Amber Peace Plan. That's what it is. Clean and clear. You give money, you get command. You get change of command. So the fighters will down when they listen to me. I want to tell you that the fighter will down say, when I stay away for these people will lead to now play on our ever can regret. And when I know the world can't end. The world can't end. Not be individual. Not be individual will take will leave your hand. Can go boya. Now LGA. Now LGA go recognize you. Una know so when they give money for people them, LGA contribute money give them people. The people they call una tell una say na money where give lies. So the fighters there for Grand Zero for Mugamu all una na one. All una na one. They as una the fight as the transition they go for powers. Na so that they go. Una the military. Military no get right with Nora who be leader. The only plan say they want meeting they go the way they want her. If you fighter, you shall insist. If you fighter, I want to do Mugamu. Any fighter for Grand Zero, where we must see is I insist. Say no, now the chairman will be. The chairman don't work with we. The defense chair, you don't work with we. We not be able to leave you so we not go. 100% guarantee. Say that fighter get a mafia with that chairman or that defense chair. That they want to talk with facts. I want to talk again and again. Any fighter when transition he go for power, he make an audio. Say no, he denounce the man. He wants him that the man be. Una no say that fighter get a business where they be transacting with the people in power. That one a fact. You know, video will not know. You know, video will not nothing. So if the thing say before that man will come for renew the contract, or that man will come like a transparent something. We now remember say when Dr. Sako become as a president, it not be take it easy because of it. He began discover thief. Where people they be thief. He began discover now why the people not work. The people they against him, they not work with you because they see transparency in you. They want to say me the old man remain. Me the old man way economy still remain because say they know the business game way it go on. So now what that way I want to talk for our fighters. You know they're not right. When here say today, the chairman no day. You only ask now the next chairman. They do transition. He call say yeah, now maybe the chairman. He say okay, boss, you don't hear. Now they respect that for military. When you start denying it, make all they say did this because all the CIA, some fighters them, the one you do that rubbish. But The war don't reach for the level where we need to take rubbish to again for fighter. We not say now we sacrifice our blood. Yes, but we not go sacrifice our blood at the detriment of other people. Because if we start disrespect people, they give them money and embrace you. The war is delay. Now plenty people na kill them. When the war is delayed because of una. When the war is delayed because of plenty people of una. When the war is delayed because of plenty people of una. I beg, no call me where are they live? I beg. So when the war is delayed because of plenty people of una, we not go take it that way. So now the foot of thought that way, I get them for talk for that one. Now we'll go to our main topic of the day, RPGs and the good news. We'll get them as far as RPG is concerned. Una share my tell una wait the achievement where we don't get them just for the short while as far as we start crying for RPG. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, after we don't cry for the past week, we don't get a revelation say God don't tell we say we don't fight well, we don't succeed. But more end with RPG. And when I start the issue, I start talking and I say I will talk till the last day. Yes, we will talk until the last day. I want to tell you some small achievement where I don't get as far as the RPG stuff concerned. We don't get people where they don't call the stand like a volunteer for say they fit stand for do them. But me I don't tell they say I be launch at the top of the program and the top program I say I want RPG. I don't be editor. I don't say me any man where want buy RPG. Me go with LGA. Give the idea, you start support from there. I don't be talking I say we form a group, money pass to my hand, money pass to this. No. I believe what to say money no fit ever pass to my hand. We no come. We the activists for the internet government. We're gonna only one person will not give you rights. Say if it come to social media, contribute money and water, Pinjeka. Now you do the job. So if by so doing we think say the people think say they fit do if you don't pass through LGA, water we carry the project. I will talk with Pinjeka. We fit talk with water he carry the project. People they want support enormous because they drag the people they tell and say they fit do give any LGA, give any LGA. So now I say now a good idea, but for me, it not be pass through my platform in the name of money or this. But another platform there, like Pinjeka, a platform, they feed one for day, or still he do one via LGA. Yes, he do one via LGA and success. Some LGA don't start embrace them, and they also work towards it. Some LGA those are embrace them. They only work towards it. For say, Gen 2, more not have a table, get RPG. RPG na not have a table. I will not have a table, get RPG. We call the sons and daughters of Kumba. Kumba did not have a table, say, do, you want get your own RPG. So, even though Kumba people stubborn and no one join the forum, but when you talk say you will be Kumba Pikin, can't join your forum. Forget work towards RPG. If you like for go joke about Cape Town, for December time when I should go Cape Town. Now time this will come for you, you end the war. Now the RPGs, what way RPG get for do? What will be the function of RPG? Because we need to say RPG. My brothers and sisters, we don't fight this war for a long time. And this talk, I will see repeat so that we will go for bed with it. We don't fight this war for a long time. We need for enam. When you hear I be talk say, move forget about the diplomacy, international communities. We focus on our mission for Ground Zero. We will destroy them. We go destroy La Republique. When we form, when we don't knock on chest, when we walk in that direction, and we give a pressure on people because it not been a biscuit, forget everyone. It not been a biscuit, it need na money, I need a collective effort. You don't need 1 people, you don't need 10 people, it need na hundreds of people. For reduce the load. 10 people figure them. 10 people figure them. Why you not doing $1,000 or 1,000 euros? 10 people figure them. But we need plenty people who come on board so that the load it will be reduced. Just take for example, you want to hear breaking money time. You hear say Prime Minister become for Ayaba Hotel. They launch the mixer inside. All man die. That one, now a breaking sweet news for we. Are they breaking sad news for La Republique? Are they breaking news for international community? So they don't kill the Prime Minister. And the one saying which mixer we use them. They will not say these people don't go far. International community, they watch we. They want to see our effort. They want to see our effort. As I will do them, they will accept. I want to tell you something again. Any country where win war, war crime no dey against their side. For their side. I repeat again. Any country, the war will fight them. The war will fight them. We will win. They don't tell me say, now we destroy La Republique, now we do this, now we do this. Now we will start to bring La Republique into their knees. Yes. Now why that way will they be succeed for win for defeat Germany? Now why that way they be nail Germany for cross? So with RPG, these people no will talk again. Minister, will come out for Yaoundé. It rotate, it can't say one can go Kumba. For which road? It will pass for which road? We will not take it for Fako, we'll take it for Meme. We will not take it for Fako, they take it for Meme. Petrol, where the tank can carry petrol, don't come out freely for Douala, they go Abakwa. We will not take it for Santa, we'll take it for heat up. We will not take it, we'll take it. So, my brothers and sisters, we will get to come out massively. Embrace this initiative. Thank God, plenty people don't start the work towards that direction. I want to hear that tomorrow say, it's an LG at that meeting. Now, RPG. Because when we start with AKs, that's what we start. When our boys are fight with the local sticks, we then start group them. Now how we get AK? Now how we get AK? Idea they come. Now how much be AK? Listen like this. Now how this okay? Any man contribution. Now so AK is account small. AK is account small. AK no be just come at one time. And as well as the RPG only come one time. The idea now, who shall we get them? Now how we get them? Now how much? We look ourselves inside group. Okay, we'll keep and say a target. Now forget that. We start work towards it. We'll get it, my brothers and sisters. Before day one break, they don't say we don't use and I use them. We don't use them and I use them. So, my brothers and sisters, we get to come together and end this war. Thanks so much for watching.